Hello students, myself Rakesh Sharma, Director of Paras Institute of Commerce Private Limited. Hope you all are doing very well and you are fine too. Today I am here with a very important information for you that from Paras Institute we are organizing a webinar on 20th December 2021. Time will be 12 p.m. and this webinar is very much important for the CA aspiring students. The students those who had appeared for the CA Foundation examinations, they are a bit confused whether they should start their CA intermediate coaching after the result or after their examinations. This is a big question within the students when they should start their coaching for CA intermediate. We Paras team will clear your all doubts that when you should start your coaching for the good result and what should be the strategy for that. So this is a big confusion within the students. There are some common questions within the students. Most of the students want to know that when they should start their CA intermediate preparation. Either the second question is whether they should take both group or single group. This is another confusion within the students. And the third and the most important thing in which students are a bit confused, whether they should start their coaching after their examinations, I mean after their CA Foundation examinations or after their CA Foundation result. And this is very big thing. Your further study depends upon this, that when you will start your CA intermediate coaching. By this you can decide whether you should go for single group, either for both group. So this is very important thing for you. You must think twice before taking the decision, and Paras team will help you for taking the decision whether you should appear for both group, I mean CA intermediate both group, either for single group. So this webinar is very much important for you. Our whole counseling team will be there for you on 20th December 2021. Time will be 12 p.m. So please do not miss this opportunity to join this webinar. And this will help you to take the decision. Thank you so much and I wish you all the best. Thank you.